What's up guys, Surge here.
So we just saw Lenovo fooling people for their latest Z5. Obviously it was a clear marketing trick to grow some hype around that particular model, but now it looks like we can actually see a true bezel-less phone. The device could belong to Oppo, and for those who don't know, Oppo and Vivo are strongly connected to each other as both of them are a part of BBK Electronics. Further, the handset will be called Find 10 and is all set to launch on June 19th. The company has been hinting new display and new notch design for a while now, and today we have an all-new teaser which showcases the whole front of the Oppo Find 10 flagship phone, and as you can see, the device features a jaw-dropping screen-to-body ratio of 93.8%. However, the official teaser does not mention the last two blanks, so we cannot decide an actual figure at this point of time. But yeah, as the leaked teaser comes from Ice Universe, I can't trust this. Now, for achieving such a ratio, the company will use an OLED panel manufactured by Samsung. We will also have side curves like the S series phones, and that would help the device to achieve a greater screen-to-body ratio. Considering the past leaks and rumors, we will have a notch on the Find 10. So a notch, a thin bottom bezel with no side bezels can also give a ratio of 90% or so. We also have a leaked ad commercial which again shows the same design. On the back, the device is covered with glass but has a black band in the shape of M at the top. Within the band sits dual rear camera separated by a LED flash. Lastly, the handset will come with a Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. It also appears that it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. So that said, the Find 10 has already entered hyped state, and yeah, don't trust those leaks too much as we will come to know about it on June 19th. And tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.